everyone, this is Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. I have been in my craft room trying to get it sorted and organized, and this is one of the projects on my to-do list. I printed the list that's available on the Tim Holtz website for all of the mini distress inks that are currently available. I was missing the last two kits, which I think was 17 and 18. I did try and find them at Joann's and at Michael's, and I couldn't find these kits, so I ended up ordering them from Amazon. I think one was $13 and one was $16, which, I mean, it's a little expensive. I remember them being a whole lot cheaper, but I wanted to get the set complete and just be done with it. Okay, so what I've already did was when I was checking off the list, I started putting them in the order that they are on here. And that is really helpful when you are blending and you wanting the colors to be in a good color order. So we have the pinks and the oranges, and then we have the greens, and then the blues, the purples, and the browns. I was just using these ones. I do keep these round blending sponges in the bottom of each one. So I'm gonna put these back where they belong. This is the picked raspberry, which is up here. And that one goes here. And then this one is the cracked pistachio. And let's see where that one is. That's over here. Oh, it's the only one in the green that I'm missing. So I'll put that one back here. All right, let's bust into these ones and get these put away. And I have some sponges, but this is something that I need to pick up from the store. I think I'm going to be short one, so we'll have to make do with what I have. Actually, I'm going to open both of these, I think. That way I could just do them together. So we have the saltwater taffy. It's right here. I am going to just stick the sponge in there for now and put that one in here. And then the other one, which is going to be the lumberjack plaid, stick the sponge in there and put that one in there. So now my red one is complete. I love it. My oranges are already complete. My greens are already complete. And let's head over to the blues. And what one am I missing here? I'm missing the Savaged Patina, which is going to be right here. We'll put the sponge in. Okay. And then I'm missing the Uncharted Mariner, which is right here. Okay, and now all of my blues are complete. And let's see. This is my purples, and we have, this is prize ribbon. That's the one that goes here. That's right here. Okay, and this one I'm thinking is going to be the Villainous Potion. So we'll put this one in here. All right, looking wonderful. Love it. And then we have the last one. And the loot is here. Put that one here. And this is the, actually this black soot belongs here. And this timber one belongs here. So I am short one sponge, so I will have to place an order for those. But this is also looking great. And now I have the complete collection of all of the distress inks. And I use these the most. I did have the big ink pads, but I did not have the space for them. So I decided to destash those and pick up only the mini ones because these take up a lot less room. And now this collection is complete. And one very small section of my craft room is back in order. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.